And we come to one of the stars of the show at this museum. I don't think I even need to give it an introduction, but let's go look at it anyway. The SR-71 Blackbird, a CIA spy plane. People always argue with me, but that is an actual fact. It just was operated and maintained by the Air Force. Now, when I was a kid in the 80s and the 90s, this aircraft was based heavily in popular culture. Magnificent J-58 turbojet from Pratt & Whitney. The technology, the bypasses, the air bleed-offs, the afterburns that made this legendary jet what it is.